Maintaining the quality of the braking system is of the utmost importance to provide sufficient and stable braking force in all conditions. In this video, we replace the rear brake pads and discs on a Land Rover Discovery 4. Before replacing these components, you should always inspect the brake fluid level, check its condition, and replace if necessary. To begin the process of replacing the rear brake pads and discs, if equipped, set the air suspension into jacking mode before raising the vehicle. Ensure all doors are closed. Start engine and allow to idle. Press and release suspension control button. A warning symbol illuminates to indicate suspension is being raised. A warning symbol illuminates to indicate suspension system is in maximum ride height mode. Switch ignition off. With the vehicle raised, remove the wheels, checking for any abnormal wear or damage. Moving to one side of the vehicle, remove the brake disc retaining screw. Remove the plastic grommet from the brake disc and, with a flat blade screwdriver, slacken the handbrake shoe adjuster before removing the brake disc. Unclip the brake pad warning wire, then unbolt the brake caliper and secure it with a suitable retaining hook, ensuring there is no excess strain on the brake hose. Remove the worn brake pads from the caliper carrier, then unbolt and remove the carrier from the hub. Remove the brake disc, then check the condition of the parking brake shoes and thoroughly clean the wheel hub to ensure all corrosion is removed, as an uneven surface can lead to issues such as brake vibration. Inspect the old brake disc and pad for wear patterns, as this can give you an indication of underlying faults with adjacent components. Now reassemble all parts and fit the new brake disc and retaining screw, making sure any oil-based protective coating is cleaned off before fitting. Then adjust the parking brake shoes until the disc is locked. Then slacken the adjuster 3 to 4 turns, checking that the disc turns freely. Once satisfied, refit the grommet. Refit the cleaned brake caliper carrier, ensuring all bolts are correctly tightened. Install the new brake pads with ceramic paste applied to the abutment points, which should easily fit into the carriers without the need to apply any force. Then retract the brake caliper piston. Next, refit the brake caliper, ensuring that the piston is retracted and all fixings are tightened to the correct torque. Repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle. Refit the wheels and lower the vehicle before tightening the bolts to the correct torque as outlined by the vehicle manufacturer. Depress the brake pedal several times until normal pedal pressure is felt. Check the brake fluid level and top up as necessary. Deactivate jacking mode. Alternatively, jacking mode cancels automatically when the car is driven. Check the handbrake operation, then take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure the braking system functions correctly.